Do you believe a stone dragon sleeps across these mountains tonight? We will touch its scales of earth, rock, and fire, and hear its breath. Walk with me now, keep your eyes open, and do not look away. Dawn lifts the ridgeline. The wall curves like a resting dragon in mist. Far on the steppe, distant hooves once pressed hard against this quiet border. Ancient hands draw a frontier across mountains, like ink laid on living rock. Small walls wait in silence until patient willpower stitches them into one. Surveyors choose the mountain spine, where the eye can see clear and far. A bright chalk line rides the crest, guiding us through cloud and stone. Marker stakes bite into cold rock, steady and certain in the wind. A clean chalk arrow points to the ground where the wall will rise. From the lookout, old battlegrounds open below like long, fading scars. Workers gather on the ridge, purpose settles, and the long day begins. Wooden wheels grind uphill. Each slow step carries steady, patient resolve forward. The rope bites the shoulder, yet the heart holds firm and calm inside. A wheel on rough stone speaks plainly, the honest sound of labor. Hand to hand, bricks travel, warmth and duty pass along the living chain. Formwork rises around the core, a quiet frame for a standing dream. Earth, sand, and gravel pour inward, the grounded ingredients of durable memory. Tamping beats in time, 3, 3, 2, until loose soil learns strength. A dense heart of earth forms, steady and regular, like a calm pulse. Edges level clean and even, the first brick will rest right here. Stone footings grip the mountainside like careful claws, strong and quiet. Inside the kiln, fire teaches clay to endure heat and hold shape. A brick emerges, smoke-scented, newly hardened, ready to serve the wall. A coat of bricks skins the wall. Discipline guides every measured line. Stone lies beneath, brick without, and a rammed earth core rests within. Slaked lime turns white. Fine sand softens it into faithful binding glue. The trowel spreads smooth. A single brick settles with one quiet click. Inside the wall, a narrow stair climbs upward into the moving wind. Watchtowers stand by line of sight, calling across the ridges in order. By day, signal smoke rises straight. Messages travel quickly across the sky. By night, torches join together like a slow and shining river. Merlons shield the archers. Whetstone gleams softly like tempered steel. Drainage channels open wide. The wall breathes gently after passing rain. A tally board marks long days by the drift of shadows. A giant human machine turns, powered only by many steady hands. The wall hugs the landform, flexible in curve, never weak in will. A mountain gate opens wide to wind and to marching feet. Steps where hollow with time, measured in centuries rather than meters. Ancient marks fade slowly, yet the story remains clear and strong. Old rubble flows into later brick many ages working toward one intent. At sunset, the dragon turns along the quiet curve of the wall. Warm wind breathes through arrow slits, moving softly with an even tone. Place your hand on the brick. Distant tamping still hums and lingers. The road runs on to forever, while the will stands still. Last light closes gently. The stone dragon slowly slips into night.